Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and you have to search for device manager. So search for device manager. I will show you the simplest step to update your Bluetooth driver. Open device manager. Okay, maximize this window, and in the left side you can see all the listed drivers for your Windows 11. In this list, you have to search for Bluetooth. You can see the Bluetooth option here. Now you can see all the updated options. So you have to go to first one and right click on it. Remember to right click on it and go to update driver option. Now you can see the two options here, search automatic for driver as well as browse my computer for drivers. So right now you have to go to search automatic for drivers. In my case, I have already installed the drivers. So close this window, again close this window, and now you have to move to settings. So in the search bar, you have to search for settings, open settings. Okay, so in the left side you can see all the listed settings. So move to Windows update option, as you can see here. Click on this and click for check for updates. So it will take 20 to 30 seconds for checking the latest drivers for your Bluetooth driver. Till then, you can like my video and subscribe my channel. I keep bringing the best videos out there on Windows 11, and which will keep your PC safe and smoother. So it will take some time, and it will tell the listed all the drivers for the whether you got update or not. So stay back and okay, so it's tell my Windows 11 Bluetooth drivers up to date. You can check in your PC or laptop whether whatever operating system you are using. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.